Somebody that try so.
Yeah man, see him here man, see him here. See him here man, see him here. See him here man. Oh shit. Bumper, come on. It needs some help from the front. The front needs to lift up. Yeah man. Yeah, I saw it set out, so there's a bull there. The car there in the water. Try to walk back the camera.
Now that road, dirty and clean.
What's your about?
Never see there, mama. She don't know. And that's why I can find good. Oh God. She find good. How then you see about?
Happy say this are going in a St. Mary, Jamaica. Yeah man, cause look here, the big tree I dropped down right here so.
Oh my God.
And block off the road. Copy say the breeze.
God is so cool.
The breeze.
There's nobody in
the breeze are going bad.
Nobody know I'm fast. Block the road.
Look on. Let me can't get away that way. Walk on and video and shoot and send up and get.
Today, on August 17, 2021, a tropical storm Grace made flooding, heavy rain and strong winds in Jamaica. Tropical storm conditions were lashing Jamaica and beginning to spread over eastern Cuba as flooding rains swept over parts of Haiti, according to the National Hurricane Center's 2 p.m. advisory on Tuesday. The storm, which made landfall in Jamaica earlier Tuesday, has left a number of roads across the island impassable. As shown in video, there were numerous flooded roads and cars. Grace's heavy rains caused flash flooding in urban areas over the southern tip of Cuba, Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. The Jamaican Meteorological Service Division reported maximum sustained winds of 65 kilometers per hour, about 40 miles per hour, and forecast 100 to 150 millimeters, about 4 to 6 inches, of rainfall along with potential flash flooding and landslides. Grace is forecast to strengthen into a hurricane on Wednesday while moving farther away from Jamaica.